बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। आज हम बना रहे हैं स्पाइरल मैक्रोनी। सो वी नीड वाटर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल बॉईल इट, then we will add spiral macaroni. You can use other shape of macaroni as well. Mix it well. Then in another bowl I will take oil, 1 tablespoon, and then I will add ginger garlic paste. Saute it like this. After that you guys have to add it the chicken, that is boneless. You can use the chicken according to your taste, according to your flavor. If you guys like more chicken in spaghettis and macaroni, you can add more. I like more chicken, so I have added a lot of chicken, and then I am adding one small carrot that is julienne cut, and then I will fry it with the chicken. Now it is sauteed somewhat. So now I am going to add red chili crush, 1 tablespoon, and then I am adding salt, 1 teaspoon, then white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon, then I am adding some more salt. It is up to your taste. You can add it more or less according to your own salt taste. Now mix it. So firstly I am adding black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon, or you can add half tablespoon as we have already added red chili crush. Now mix it well. Now it is fully mixed, and now we are adding ketchup, half cup almost. Mix it well like this, and then we are going to add the boiled macaroni, just like this, and then I am adding some wood cabbage. You can ignore it. If you don't like cabbage, you can just ignore it. This is China salt, up to your taste. Then I am adding hot sauce, 1 tablespoon. It is also known as chili sauce. Then soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, and then you guys have just to mix it well, and our spiral chicken macaroni is ready.